Let's first introduce the remote control operation. Pull the handle down to operate the crane. Let's take a look at the remote control operation. Press the boom extension button and toggle the handle. Extend the boom. Press the swivel button. Toggle the handle. The boom rotates. Press the two-fold arm button. Toggle the handle, and the arm frame continues to unfold. Press the telescopic button. Toggle the handle. The boom is telescopic. The red button is the emergency stop button. After pressing the crane emergency stop, rotate and pull up the red button. You can continue to operate the crane.